Okay, let's talk about financial accounting, chapter 10. Okay, and before we finish for this semester, I just want to remind everybody one more time. Don't forget to purchase your book for the new course, business law. And it took me more than 2 weeks to receive the books. I highly recommend. Don't wait, okay? Because from today till the new class start in September, that is almost exactly 2 weeks from today. So do not wait, okay? Do not wait. And after today, if you have not purchased yet, I highly recommend. Don't hesitate, okay? Do not hesitate. Just go out and to purchase the book as soon as possible. And the book I select for everybody, I read already. That's a very good business law book, okay? And the cost is very cheap. Okay, I already compared on the market, and you only need to spend like around $6, including shipping. Okay, and you can get very good. That is a comprehensive version. Comprehensive means is very detailed. Okay, very detailed version, and that include a lot of information for the student to learn under the business law course. And I highly recommend don't miss it, because for next year I will not offer business law. Okay, so this is a selective, okay, elective course. Okay, so I only offer this elective course every other year. So if you never learned business law before, and this is a great opportunity for you to take the elective course. Okay, so don't miss it. And because for 2012, I will offer another elective, and this is the e-commerce, mean online business, website business, e-commerce. So for the elective courses, I only offer once every other 2 years, so every other year. So I know. So for those of you who never took business law before, I highly recommend don't miss this time. Okay, so anyway, go back to chapter 10. Yes, go ahead.
Audit, just audit.
You mean
audit?
yeah, sure. For those of you who graduate already, you're pretty much welcome. Come back anytime for the auditing of business law, and even included for next year. And e-commerce, I'm going to offer.
Do we need to pay?
I don't think so. Usually, I cannot make a decision, but I would say probably not. You need to contact Catherine. Even that's to pay very minimum, just as a token. Okay. But anyway, I highly recommend you come back, even you are graduate, and this year for business law, and next year summer. By the way, summer, okay? Because I already told the office, say, because summer is very short, and usually we have the first course we use out for graduation. They gotta become our routine, schedule for every year. So I only have a 5 session in class to cover summer. So next year the elective will be in the summer, and the financial accounting is a required course will be moved to the 4th semester. I will have more, little bit more, okay, in class live, instruction for this accounting. Anyway, go back to chapter 10. All right. Remember from our very beginning of this class, okay, at least when you finish this this course, okay, I expect you take away the minimum knowledge is the debit, the credit. Okay. I want to speak it one more time. When you are doing, okay, the T account, okay, when we said debit, when we said credit, they only mean debit is on the left side. That's all, and credit is on the right side. That's all. Okay, nothing more than that. Of course, okay, when you are doing some other thing, credit always mean plus. Debit always mean decrease. Okay, reduce. Okay, when we do any other, okay. So I know that's the difficult point, because at one moment you carry this credit or debit as plus, minus. All right. However, if right now the situation changed to T account. What I said, if you want the accounting, how did you enter this transaction into the T account? When I say this, then you need to forget plus, minus. Okay? They only mean debit on the left and credit on the right side. That's all. So you need to forget the traditional meaning. Alright. That's the first thing I hope you will take away with you from this class. Number 2, take away from this class, that is 5 categories. Alright? Assets, liability, equity, those 3 items are from balance sheets. Okay, balance sheets. And the expense and the revenue are from income statement. So we only talk about 2 major financial reports. Okay, balance sheets is very, very basic thing you need to learn. Number 1, you know how to do it for your personal, for your business. Very simple balance sheets, you know how to make it. Number 2, you know how to prepare the income statement. And what's the purpose, what's the function for each one. You need to know that. Or, if somebody provides you his or her or the company's balance sheets and the income statement, you know how to read it. You know how to tell, to see, to analyze from this financial report, to analyze, to tell whether or not this company is in a good condition or it is in a bad condition. You need to know that. Alright? So this is number 2 item I want you to take away. Alright? Assets account, liability accounts, equity accounts, and expense and revenue. Those 5 accounts. And then number 3, I do not require you, but hopefully you can do it. I know that's difficult. Okay? When you keep those 5 accounts in your mind, then you know how to differentiate. You can classify each account to which category. So for example, cash account is under the assets. Never confuse, misplace cash account to any other category. Okay? Cash is not under the revenue. So at least after you took this class, you know when we talk about cash in terms of the accounting purpose, cash is the name of the account, and this account is under the assets, not under the revenue. Got it? Alright? So when we say inventory, you know that is another account under the assets. When we say account payable, you know payable is under the liability. Payable is not under expenses. Right? So the number 3, okay, I hope you can take away from this class is how to classify each account, each individual account into the right category. Alright? Any questions so far?